WIF-USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, around 1 month between take profit levels. Entry levels, 3.1309 to 3.5522. Take profit targets. Target 1, 4.5940. Target 2, 5.3053. Target 3, 5.8711. Target 4, 6.5501. Stop loss, 1.9184. Keys to trading success. Careful analysis, avoiding rush decisions. Utilize simple trading tools, trend lines, price channels, support/resistance levels. Trading recommendations. Enter the trade after a pullback. Stop loss management. After reaching a take profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or the previous take profit level to lock in profits and limit potential losses if the market reverses.